Let's go to another auction sale. This is what we're going to bid on. Well, you can get part of a tractor if you want one.
I was looking for Nick Essence, but Nick Essence was doing
You can get one of them. You can get a truck. Or another truck. Or you can get some hoods. You can get a big truck. Another truck. You can get a Dodge. You can get a Chevrolet. You can get a Ford.
Gather around, it's auction time. We'll make a few announcements here and then we'll be ready to begin because obviously we've got a lot to do. So gather around. Terms of the sale today are cash or check. You'll pay right under the front stand where you got your bid number earlier.
6/5/2018. The bee yard, as it is about 5:30 in the evening. This is what we got. We got that 8-frame, 2 boxes. That's where the original queen's at's in that box right there. The bottom right there got full out of, we got that and scooped up off the ground there, in that nook, and then upgraded it to that. Now we done put a second box on it. Doing quite well. This is the nook that somehow ended up with 5 frames in there. I had 3 that was, they'd run out of room. I'm not sure there's a queen in there. I took it apart yesterday, looked at it. There ain't no baby bees in there, but there's a lot of activity at it today, so, we're gonna wait and see. And this hive right here, that's the one I was fidgeting around with, getting the queen out and getting her and the camera and me all 3 situated. And somehow I think I lost the queen out of that one. But I think they recovered okay with another queen, because, had about 20 queen cells in that one right there, I think. And this one right here, that's the one that I done already had to go around with them hive beetles right there. Lost a half a frame, that's all. I've been working with them hive beetles. And this one is, the one we brought through the winter. Oh, it is a buzz. But they're not moving up into that top box right there. They got them 2 bottom ones plumb full, but they not moved up to the top for some reason. I ain't got no sugar feeder on there for the last week or so. I may start back with that. But they're making honey. Just a little bee yard update, I just gonna have a couple of hives of bees, that's all. But now, we got 5 and one on the standby over there. Picked up some lumber today, I'm talking about. Now y'all come on back, we'll tell you about these bees. I'm from here, Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something. Hey, y'all come on back next week. We'll work on something else. Shot dog Sam.